I guide you to add and remove Instagram Reels from your profile grid. For that, hop your Instagram, go to the profile. There you can find all the reels or the post that you have shared to your Instagram. If you need to add some of them or remove anything, this is one of my reel. I can tap on that. In the top, you can find three dots. If you tap on that, see here it will ask for remove from main grid. This is your profile grid. You can remove from main grid, and this is how you can remove. If you need to add that reel to your profile grid, you can go to the reel option and it will always be appeared in the reel grid. Again you can tap on that. Again you can tap on that. From here you can tap on three dots over there, and again if you tap on add to main grid, and now that is added to main grid. Let's see. So you can see that was added to main grid. This is how you can add and remove your Instagram reels from profile.